Welcome to a new video of Masters Academy. Mathematics, SSLC, NCERT. Solutions to SSLC Supplementary Examination Paper September 2020. 3-mark questions with solutions. Part 4 prepared by N. Parmesh. 28th question, calculate the mode for the following frequency distribution table. Class interval frequency 0 to 5, 8, 5 to 10, 9, 10 to 15, 5, 15 to 20, 3, 20 to 25, 1, sigma Fi is equal to 26. Answer. Maximum frequency is 9. Lower limit L is equal to 5. Frequency of the model class F1 is equal to 9. Frequency of the presiding model class F0 is equal to 8. Frequency of succeeding model class is equal to 5. Class size H is equal to 5. Difference, that is 5. Mode is equal to L plus bracket F1 minus F0 divided by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 bracket close into H is equal to 5 plus bracket 9 minus 8 divided by 2 into 9 minus 8 minus 5 bracket close into 5 is equal to 5 plus 9 minus 8 is 1 divided by 9 2s are 18 minus 8 minus 5 bracket close into 5 is equal to 5 plus 1 divided by 18 minus 13 bracket close into 5 is equal to 5 plus 1 by 5 bracket close 5 5 get cancelled is equal to 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Mod is equal to 6. 29th question, an insurance policy agent found the following data for distribution of age of 35 policy holders. Draw a less than type of ogive for the given data. Age in years, number of policy holder, below 20 2, below 25 6, below 30 12, below 35 16, below 40 20, below 45 25, below 50 35. X-axis age in years, y-axis number of policy holders. 20, 2 first point, 25, 6 second point, 30, 12 third point, 35, 16 fourth point, 40, 20 fifth point, 45, 25 next point, last point 50, 35. Scale x-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 5 units and y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 2 units. Draw the line, smooth line that gives the less than type of ogive graph. 30th question, in the triangle ABD, C is a point on BD such that BC is to CD is equal to 1:2 and triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle, then prove that AD square is equal to 7 AC square. Answer. Equilateral triangle means all the sides are equal. AB is equal to BC is equal to AC, that is treated as A. AD is the median, E is the midpoint of BC, BE is equal to EC is equal to A by 2. Data, in triangle ABD, BC is to CD is equal to 1 by 2. In triangle ABC, AB is equal to BC is equal to AC. To prove AD square is equal to 7 AC square. Construction, draw AE perpendicular to BC. Proof, in triangle ABC, BE is equal to EC is equal to A by 2 and altitude AE is equal to A root 3 by 2 after applying Pythagoras theorem to triangle AEC. In triangle ADE, angle ADE is equal to 90 degree. Applying Pythagoras theorem, AD square is equal to AE square plus ED square. AD square is equal to AE is nothing but A root 3 by 2 the whole square plus ED is nothing but 2A plus A by 2 the whole square is equal to 3A square by 4 plus 5A by 2 the whole square is equal to 3A square by 4 plus 5 square is 25A square by 4 is equal to, by taking 4 as an LCM, 3A square plus 25A square is 28A square by 4. 4 7s are 28, 7A square. AD square is equal to 7A square. AD square is equal to 7. A is nothing but equilateral triangle, either AB or BC or AC. Here AC is equal to A. Therefore, AD square is equal to 7AC square. 31st question, prove that the length of the tangents drawn from an external point to a circles are equal. Answer, O is the center of the circle. Data, O is the center of the circle. P is an external point. PQ and PR are the tangents. To prove PQ is equal to PR. Construction, join OQ, OR and OP. Proof, in triangle POQ and triangle POR, angle PQO is equal to angle PRO is equal to 90 degree. Radius drawn at the point of contact is perpendicular to the tangent. Next, angle P is 90 degree. This is hypotenuse. OP is an hypotenuse. Angle Q is 90 degree. OP is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse OP is equal to hypotenuse OP, that is common side. OQ is equal to OR, radii of the same circle. Therefore, triangle POQ is congruent to triangle POR by using right angle hypotenuse side theorem. Therefore, PQ is equal to PR. 32 question. AB and CD are the arc of two concentric circles with center O of the radius 21 cm and 7 cm respectively. If angle AOB is equal to 30 degree as shown in the figure, find the area of the shaded region. Answer, area of the sector OAB is equal to theta divided by 360 into pi r square. Theta is 30 degree divided by 360 into pi is 22 by 7 into radius is 21 square is equal to 30 divided by 360 into 22 divided by 7 into 21 into 21. After simplification is equal to 11 into 21 by 2 is equal to 11 into 21 is 231 divided by 2 centimeter square. Area of the sector COD is equal to theta divided by 360 degree into pi r square is equal to 30 divided by 360 into pi 22 by 7, radius is 7 square. After simplification is equal to 11 into 7 divided by 6 is equal to 77 by 6 centimeter square. Therefore, area of shaded region is equal to area of the sector OAB minus area of sector OCD. Substituting the value is equal to 231 divided by 2 minus 77 divided by 6 is equal to, taking 6 as an LCM, 2 divides 6 3 times, 3 into 231 is 693 minus 77 is equal to 616 by 6 is equal to 2 3s are 2 308s are, that is equal to 102.6 centimeter square. OR, in the figure ABCD is a square and two semicircles touch each other externally at P. The length of each circular arc is equal to 11 centimeter. Find the area of the shaded region. Answer, perimeter of the semicircle is equal to pi r. Perimeter of the semicircle is 11, that is given, is equal to pi r. 11 is equal to pi r. 11 is equal to pi means 22 by 7 into r. 11 ones are 11 twos are get cancelled. R is equal to 7 divided by 2 is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Area of two semicircle is equal to pi r square is equal to 22 by 7. R is nothing but 3.5 the whole square is equal to 11 into 3.5 is equal to 38.5 centimeter square. The diameter of a circle is equal to the side of the square ABCD. Side AB is equal to 2 into radius is equal to 2 into 3.5 is equal to 7 centimeter. Area of square ABCD is equal to side square is equal to 7 into 7 is equal to 49 centimeter square. Area of the shaded region is equal to area of ABCD minus area of two semicircles. Substituting the value is equal to 49 minus 38.5 is equal to 10.5 centimeter square. 33 question. Construct a triangle with sides 6 centimeter, 7 centimeter and 8 centimeter, and then construct another triangle whose sides are 3 by 4 of the corresponding sides of the constructed triangle. Answer. First, draw the 7 centimeters line that is treated as BC. With the help of compass, take 6 centimeter and with point B as a common point, draw the arc, and 8 centimeter as the radius. At point C, draw another arc. The two arc bisect at a point A, join AB and AC. AB is 6 centimeter, AC is 8 centimeter. ABC is the original triangle. In the question, they have given 3 by 4. Next, draw any acute angle at the vertex B, cut into 4 equal parts, that is treated as B1, B2, B3, B4. Join B4 to C. Draw any arc at point B3, draw the same arc and measure these two arc at this point, cut and then join B3 and BC line that intersect at the point C dash. In the same way, at point C, draw an arc, same measurement at point C dash, draw the arc, measure this and cut, then join that to A dash C dash, that is parallel to AC. B4C is parallel to B3C dash. Therefore, the new constructed triangle is A dash B C dash. Dear friends, if you find this video useful, then please subscribe our YouTube channel and share it to your friends. Thank you.